Order of operations is everything. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And I know I've made this video before, and I knew it was pretty important. But after the work that I've done last week, and I had actually a conversation with a coworker a few weeks ago when we were on a work trip. Language is important to learn, but to understand in the order in which we need to do those tasks is vital. So I've shown this before, and it was actually an exercise that I stole, incorporated, or whatever with a group of elementary school students to make this repeatable. So if I were to come and have a set of instructions and walk through these dots, and the reason why I do that is what happens if I make more dots. So all I do is I walk, come down, walk back. It really doesn't matter how many rows and columns. I walk forward, I turn right, I walk to the end, I turn around, I walk all the way back, and I come back. Because loops and remembering and recalling information is what a computer is fantastic at that task. So what we have to do is we have to find a way to take our human brain to translate that into repeatable instructions, a group of instructions that then I can give and have these be repeatable. And also, side note, I want to really express that when a button is pressed in an application or on a web page, that it does a tremendous amount of work in the background. I have been educated thoroughly over the past couple of weeks on this application because the last one we built, I did the back end. Well, I'm being challenged to do more of the front end work. Well, I am growing more respect for the amount of effort of what the submit button does, and especially if you have variations of preserving data or overriding data and giving the user those options, because you will be needing to have multiple SQL commands, update commands, insert commands, all in a certain order and displaying them on the screen. So what I really want to challenge you with is finding challenges that have to have flows. I think I've shown you the one that I was asked about stadium seating. That is a perfect example of taking a human decision and automating it. And it's, how did I make that decision? What decision did I make? Okay, I have this seat, I have the one beside it. So basically it's, is there a column here? Can I continue on? If not, turn around, walk all the way back, and then turn left, and it's completely repeatable. So find exercises that challenge you with automation. I can't say that enough, because if you can program anything that can do decision making and automation, you will be able to program anything you want to. I promise you. All right. So, real quick video today, more knowledge and experience that I've acquired over the past few weeks, but vital. Order of operations is, I knew it was important, but now in these last few weeks of actually putting those skills to task, it is, I mean, the more you have to do it, you're going to have some challenges, but just draw it out on a dry erase board. What do I need to decide when this happens? Okay. What do I need to decide when this happens? And once you can draw it out and explain it with a human brain, I promise you'll be able to translate it and put it into SQL brain, Python brain, VB.NET brain, whatever. But you have to understand, what am I doing when I'm doing each of these tasks? What do I want? What do I expect to have happen on the screen when I press this button? Oh yeah, I need to turn off all these text boxes. Okay, when I hit the other radio button, I need them to turn back on. Okay, so I need to go from there. So that is why this is so very vital. All right, I will wrap up here, but thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.